Finally got the gas tank mounted. Got the fuel fill neck made. She's clamped in tight. 47 gallons. I'll have to take it back out when I put the floor in because I've got some insulating material to put under the floor, but the tank is pretty much in and done. Had to make a new fill neck mount. I'll probably fiberglass in that hole there, but I mean that was all open originally anyway. You know, still open on the bottom, but that's how they made it. So anyway, you know, it's kind of a little more modern cap. So I think everything should be good. Long haul.